Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable hotspot on your Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to share my internet connection to other devices and I'm going to activate my hotspot. First of all, we can go to the Windows setting. I'm going to go to the start menu and then I'm going to go to settings. Okay, and then we're going to go to the network and internet, and here we can simply activate this mobile hotspot so we will be able to share our internet connection. Okay, I'm going to activate it, and then my device will appear on the other Wi-Fi networks for the other devices. Okay guys, and that's all the way to activate hotspot on Windows 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.